The only thing, this is what's weird. So this is a bull flag on Tesla. Let me show you guys. This is the channel that Tesla's in. Everybody see this? This is what we're looking at right here. Now, the weird thing with Tesla is, even though this is pulling to the downside, right? If you look at this massive downside, it's tough because we're in the middle of what this is doing, right? So this either wants to pull back to where it came from, or this wants to make a move back up here to VWAP. Yeah, right here. This is support around 171. And I got this from Friday. Everybody see this right here? This is going to be support. If it finds support, this is where it's going to be. So if we are trading this, we'd want it. This is a gold level. Everybody see this? So this should be, yep, here they come. I can see 171.80 starting to get some build up. Support at 171.41 right here, 40. So around this gold level, this should be support. If Tesla's going to find support, this is where it's going to be. And why does that matter? Because if we're looking at entering this trade, you have to know these levels. You cannot just jump in here guessing, oh, it's going down, so I'm just going to go down. That's not how this works. You got to know all these levels, right? SPY's pulling a little bit, hanging on VWAP. Just like this. If Tesla can't hold this gold level, lights out. But if it does, if this stays above this gold level, you're going back to VWAP, most likely, right? That's what it will try to do.
Gosh,
so if you, since you don't know, wouldn't this be a great area for a straddle, everybody? Yeah, it would. Why? Because you're going to get either a major pop or a major drop. So wasn't this a great straddle area? Straddle. That is a call and a put. Same strike price. Same expiration. We'll just put an E. Okay. And then you're going to have a stop here for your call, and you'll have a stop right up here, right, for your put or wherever you want it, right? I'm just kind of showing you guys what it looks like. This is what it would look like. Now you're set up for success both ways. If it rips to the downside, your calls will get stopped out. Your puts will start printing. If it rips to the upside, your puts will get stopped out and your call will start printing. Does it make sense, everybody?
Yeah, coach, it does.
Yep. That is a perfect spot on this gold level for a straddle. I mean, that is just set up for success because you're either going to get a major run back up or you're just going to drop straight to hell. And you want volatility on a straddle. You get paid on volatility. Look at how heavy this is. Look at SPY. It broke through that. Broke through that resistance. That means hasta la vista, baby. Go, 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 go. Look at Tesla. If you are sitting on that straddle, you're in a great place because you're looking for either the drop or the pop here, right? Give this some room. Stop here. Stop here. I'll mark them. It should basically look like this. Everybody see this? You got to have a stop both ends. Let it work. It's going to decide because it's either going to come down here to the 200 or it's going to move up to VWAP. Does everybody see it? Yeah, you do. Look at Tesla crashing out. Hopefully this makes sense to you. If those of you that are just tuning in or you don't know what I'm talking about, don't worry. We talk about these all the time. They're a great trade when you're sitting at an unknown position with lots of room to move because you want volatility with a straddle or a strangle.